going on with y'all? We back at it with yet another sweet video with Jhoana. We're in the kitchen right now. And let me show y'all what we're getting into. So right now, if you could take a wild guess what this is, if you haven't read by the title already, pretend it as if you haven't seen it already. But we're gonna have that brown sugar, the pan is butter. I'll give you a preview and that. You could guess with those 4 items right there, which is the brown sugar, butter, cake mix, and you got the pineapples. Okay. So what are we doing right now?
So we're just prepping the pan.
Prepping the pan. What else? So we just coat the bottom of the pan with brown sugar?
Yes.
Is that going to be like the top or the layer? Or?
Yes, the top. You could either put pecans if you want to, or walnuts after you put the pineapple.
Pecans and walnuts, she said, if you want on top. You guys don't know what it is yet, but she just added pecans and walnuts if you want. So if you guys could guess right now, drop it in the comment section right now what this could be. Because boy, we've been waiting for this. It's gonna be delicioso. So right here, we already have the oven at 350, preheated at 350. It's getting hot in there. Back to this. All right, don't mind the kitchen, because you know we've been cooking all day. We've been, you know, my mom been in the kitchen all day. But as you can see, we got the cup of water. She's gonna pour that right into there. Boom. And then what is that?
Oil. 1/3 of oil.
1/3 of oil.
3 eggs.
Bow. Egg.
Second egg.
2 eggs. 3 eggs. There it goes. She is putting the pineapples. Remember I told you that the brown sugar is the top layer, so she's putting in pineapples right now. She just put in 1 can of pineapple chunks. She's about to put another can. Right here is 2 cans of pineapple chunks. And you know, you just divide it evenly around there. So, you know, if you like pineapples, be pineapple out. If you like pineapples, drop a like on this video right now, because I like pineapples. And I don't know, if you don't like pineapples, something wrong with you. Y'all better be ready. So my mom said about 30, 35 minutes, 40 minutes for the cake. Y'all better be ready. We already had the oven preheated. So, you know, it's a good 35, 40 minutes. The cake will be ready. I'll check back in with y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, I forgot to tell y'all. So we only put 1 box in there, 3 eggs. And for the pan we got, you kind of want to fill it up. So, you know, it's cake is gonna rise. We're gonna put 2 boxes of the classic yellow Duncan Hines, I believe the product is called, and we're gonna put 2 boxes of the yellow cake in there, right?
Okay.
Double the stuff we use, which is a cup of water, the 1/3 of olive oil, you know, and 6 eggs. So we're gonna do that right now. Probably not gonna record it because y'all probably but this happens. It happens. You in the kitchen right now, y'all gonna see it. And this is just exciting because, you know, I don't really record her too much and she kind of shy to be on camera right now. But we're going to get this done. I'm going to check back in with y'all.
Later that same evening.
That's that professional flip. Voila.
Voila.
Perfection, y'all. She does great all the time.
Voila.
That's back. Okay, so she didn't want to say it. Here you have it, you guys. The pineapple upside down cake.